I'm going to be showing you how to add bookshop.org to Shopify. So the easiest way to add bookshop.org to your Shopify store is usually through affiliate links or widget, not a native Shopify app integration. So we need to know if Bookshop provides affiliate storefronts, affiliate links, and embeddable widgets. So the most simple thing you can do is add affiliate links to your Shopify store. So the step one is to become a Bookshop affiliate. Just go ahead and open any of the browser that you have and go to Shopify. Just go ahead and tap on the first button. Make sure you're signed up. And once you're here, you need to find the option that says your affiliate storefront, custom book links, and commission tracking. So you can just tap on become an affiliate option right here. Just go ahead and tap there and sign up. Then you'll see all of the contracts here and payout details. And then you can just add links inside Shopify. You can add buttons, product recommendations, blog links, and many more. The second option is to embed Bookshop widgets into Shopify. So Bookshop provides embeddable widgets. The typical process is to just go to Shopify right here, and then you'll find all sorts of online stores, themes, customize, and then you'll have the option of add custom liquid or custom HTML block. So then just paste the Bookshop widget code there, and that's how you do it. So that's how you add bookshop.org to Shopify. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.